I am not a saint. I know I am a sinner. I know I can hurt anyone anytime. I know I look just like anyone. But this doesn't give you any right to look down on me. You may treat me cheap just because I look cheap. But I know I am expensive. Me being expensive doesn't appear on my look. It's the strong someone inside me who makes me expensive. Just looking like others doesn't make me be them. I know I'm different. You may not believe it, but as long as I know this, you won't ever discourage me. I know I have to try hard and become the best version of myself, and that's what I am gonna do. You will keep disrespecting me, but you will never know my true self if you don't respect me. If you want to know the true personality of someone, don't just keep looking him or her on the side. Go to them, talk to them, respect them, and you will find out. Don't just judge.